XRise is an XR-based immersive virtual reality therapy platform specifically designed for individuals having neurodevelopmental disorder. We support multilingual games specifically for Indian context. So this is our standalone VR headset, totally built by our team. This is the central processing unit for all the graphics and game engine. Here is the LCD screen where we can see our games. This is the control of our headset. Inside this we have IMU that is used for hand tracking, and inside this white enclosure we have another IMU for head tracking and other calculations. Here are lenses, Fresnel lenses for the magnifications of the games so that we can see the picture clearly.
So I can see the language selection. So I have to press the two buttons simultaneously to calibrate the hand. And now I can move forward. Here the child can explore the different animals like dog, here the cow, here you can see the cat. So we can navigate to the elephant. This is panda, and now we have the game where we have to guess the animal. See, this is the dog. The child has to select the correct label.
We heard from our seniors that these competitions provides a great platform for every students who are dreaming to be a great engineer. It was one of the best workshop of my life. Before the workshop, we used to develop solution in search of problems. But after attending the workshop, we are trained. We dig deep into the problem. We understand user personas, what our stakeholders want, what actual problem is. Now we can understand problem in a comprehensive manner, and because of that we can build a robust comprehensive solution for our stakeholders. So we came up with a solution to build a VR therapy game for such kind of children. We initially built some games and went to NGOs and government schools. We got to know about that for the different region we need multilingual content. The game's motivation should be based on the regional demographics, not on the global stories. We used to think like engineering is all about our domain, just focus on software, get job into it, and your life will be set. But after participating in this competition, we got to know about engineering is a multidisciplinary approach to solve a real-world socially impactful problem that can combine multiple engineering streams. We did CAD modeling for our project. We learned embedded systems, hardware configurations. We developed game. We built software platforms. Besides that, how to approach NGOs, how to talk with people to collaborate. In college, we just used to build some kind of project that are for only marks. But after participating, our perspective is totally shifted to the user-centric.
Along with the implementation, the documentations and the testing is also as much important.
To test the product on actual users rather than just dreaming about what user wants. So after testing, the gap reduces and we can build a robust and realistic solution to the users. Initially, I was reluctant to learn about embedded programming, knowing about the sensor. But as the time passed, I find electronics and embedded system more interesting than software because it need understanding of the smallest unit of hardware and also how to optimize the software to the best level so that they can suit on that hardware. It is like a child, so this is the best feeling in the world when someone uses our developed product and they like the product. When we see on-ground impact that our product is making, so we feel proud of ourselves. We also feel blessed to participate in this competition. It was a transformative journey of my engineering life. I now look into the problem as a whole rather than just looking at a solution, just working for marks or some kind of pay package. It has transformed me as a good engineer with the engineer having empathy and inclination towards solve real world problems. We build that confidence. If anyone throws a real world problem towards us, we will definitely bring a good solution, impactful solution for that problem.